Hi guys, I'm Ryan. It's been a while since I last did my video, and I've done my video on the original and pirated B-damans in terms of comparisons. But today I'll be doing a special review on the limited edition of CB-23. I know a lot of people have done certain reviews in YouTube, and I've looked through a lot of other videos and done some feedbacks. There are some amazing tune-up gears as well that I've been, overview or I've been overwhelmed with those powerful tune-ups. But I'm still sticking to these ones because this is one of the limited editions which I was convinced by Drezerov's 2013. He is one of the first person which he has uploaded this limited set of B-daman on YouTube, and I would like to thank him for convincing me to get it, and I'm definitely satisfied, and it's worth getting it. Trust me, this is one of the highly recommended products, which it has the one-sided Dracian and the Torigo. These are the two type of B-damans which support power type and rapid fire. And today I'll be doing a demo video on the combinations of both type of B-daman, which you can even use it for the WBMA tournament or just for the fun of playing it on the B-daman bomber set. It's also a powerful type of B-damans which I'll demo for today. And apart from this one, I would like to also use the demo video on my Burst Bison, who seems to have the same support, but it's only for power type. And these tune-up gears can also apply on Burst Bison, since Dracian and Burst Bison, and they are both from the power type family. And I also recently saw the WBMA official Facebook page where they have announced the event, which is gonna held around 14 and 15 December in Mutiara Damansara Kano. And I'm thinking that there are lots of kids out there who left some comments and they're willing to participate. It's great, and I even signed up today through the pre-registry form. Hopefully I get selected as part of the contestant. And I'm not gonna tell you what kind of B-damans I'm gonna use, but I think so far most probably I'll be using CB-23 as my favorite type of consider one of the strongest part of the B-damans. But just maybe, the only competitive part of B-damans is against Drago and Drezerovs. So far, I think that they are both a powerful type of B-daman which can be quite competitive as well against the Torigo and Exodracian, or we call it one-sided Exodracian. And that's about it, and I'll be doing a demo video now. As you know that this is also limited edition, which is definitely the original parts. And remember, when you're joining the WBMA tournament, you have to buy original B-daman, which will have the actual Takaratomi label. But there's unfortunate news that they're not going to print out the color barcode because of the machines that has cost them a lot, that they decided to stop printing it. Therefore, even if you purchase original B-damans and you notice there is no label on it, printed on it, so you just use your receipt which is a proof of purchase, and you can use to register into the B-daman tournament. And I'm advising you to do so as soon as before 9th of December, because that is the last due date. Where that's the last closing admissions for the B-daman tournament. And I think that the first prize you are gonna win the gold Excel dress. The gold Russian, I'm saying this is because this is what they said, limited edition of rare B-daman. Means it is only officially custom made by the Takaratomi people, or actually I say it's made in Japan, and you cannot find it in the market. That's right. And for those who have bought or pirated B-damans, please don't use it. It's not gonna worth your time if you're gonna want to submit those with a cheap receipt. So do buy original, use that receipt, staple with the pre-registry form, fill up your info, and submit it to those noted shopping malls, Mid Valley, even Ikano or Empire Mall. Those are the located shopping or Toys R Us outlets where they will require you to submit it. Okay, that's all about it. I'll be doing a demo video now. Like I said, this is one of the custom build of CB-23. I'll put it in the middle so you can look. And, I did manage to paste the sticker, but it looks pretty cool, I must say. And what's fascinating, it also comes with the quick loader magazine. This is where they have a pair of mounted magazines and also the power mantle, like so. And then you can also use this on the burst bison, which I'll show you later on. These power mantles help stabilize the B-daman. Normally stabilize the back end of the B-daman. Yep. Now I'll show you the quick loader. You can basically fill up maximum 5 marbles for each magazine. But today I'll be just showing you the load 5 marbles into the magazine. Here it goes. Please always remember that you just press on it in order to create a fast motion. But I'm doing it slowly so you can see it clearly how it's done. There it is, 5 marbles. So you basically place it to the loader. There you hear the sound where the marbles loaded. Once it's loaded, you can just put it aside, and you can place it here. Now let's just see what I'm going to use as the target. Today I'll be using this bottle as the main target. Now his mission is to aim at this bottle, and he'll be hitting it to this very end. And I will be just testing its strength of shots of using rapid fire mode with the combination of power type. 3, 2, 1, be fight! This is just using one shot of the power strength. It's quite powerful. Now I'll be showing you also not just the strength, but also its fast rapid fire. I'll be putting some frame stuff here. 3, 2, 1, B, fight. So there you have it. This is the powerful power shots in its rapid fire. It's a short demo, but I'm sorry that I didn't really put up the bomber set around here because I'm waiting for my cousins to get it, and at the moment this is the most powerful demo which I've done so far. This is a must buy B-daman, and also showing you now the burst bison. So basically just put it back. This is the burst bison where it took off its trigger and its back. Now to take out the quick loader. And also the power mantle. This is where I place it at the back end of burst bison. And also this is where you slot it in at the back of burst bison, where the trigger is holding it. There you have the mounted of quick loader magazines, where you join it to the back of its head, like so. Ta-da! There you have it. Custom made of burst bison. Now you notice that the pawn you can put at the side of his arms, so it's for stabilizing the front as well, and also it helps using manpower mantle. It's a tune-up gear, and also the quick loader magazines for rapid fire. So it's basically having a stabilized at the back end with quick loader magazines for great shots of rapid fire. Now I'm gonna show you the powerful rapid fire. Same thing. Gonna load it up. As usual, 5 marbles in the Mac, loaded into the loader. And then ready for the shots. I'm gonna use the bottle as the main target for burst bison, and I'm gonna hit it to the very end. It's probably gonna use up at least one marble on it. 3, 2, 1, B, fight! There you have it. But I'm just doing second shots, and it reached there. Basically, that is the 2 marbles, and it hits terrifically. As you know that this is one of the only demo that I can do because of its distance. In my mind, you'd be able to help me out in the webcam and things like that. But that shouldn't be a problem. But I'll be doing a demo on the bomber set. As for now, this is where it comes in handy when you have tune-up gears from the limited edition of CB-23. I advise you to buy CB-23 because you can also get the extra bits of tune-up gears that you can use it during B-daman tournament as well, as long as they're original. And also you can pair up with any of your favorite power type B-damans, especially Burst Bison in the Excel Dracian or one set of Dracian. And that's all about it. And I'd like you guys to give me some feedback or whatsoever if there is anything left out, or you want to fill out the details regardless of about the WBMA tournaments. And also, I will be doing the next video on the bomber set, which I'll be purchasing it. And I'm gonna show you guys more about the rapid fire of these B-damans, because that is the only way to show their performance using the magazines. And I almost forgot that you can also use the white magazines. This is where you have the Thunder Dracian, and it has its own white magazines. You can even pair it up with any of your favorite B-damans, like I said, for Burst Bison or one set of Dracian. That is it. If you have any other positive feedback or any link that you want to share, please feel free to post it, and do subscribe me so that I'll make more video for the coming weeks. Sorry about the delay as well, because I've been a bit busy recently, and I can't wait for the WBMA tournament as well. If I ever get to put up some other details about it, I'm willing to share it on the next review. Okay, that's about it. Thank you for watching. Sign off.